came back from Tagaytay and this is where I got my very sweet pineapple. So today we're gonna make healthy pineapple yogurt parfait. So it's very low in calories. Okay, so I grilled the pineapple. Look at this. So this is what you want to see. Yung grill marks. And there you go. And then we will be chopping it like so. So it's very warm. Make sure your yogurt is cold. And I'm using low-fat yogurt. I bought it in Santis. So it's plain yogurt. Okay. It's very sour, so it's very important that the fruit is sweet and it is in season. So if you grill it, the flavor lumalabas. So, yun. So it's very sweet and very warm. What you do, you put the pineapple slices inside your cup, and then you have your plain yogurt. So if the fruit is medyo not in season, you can put honey, cocoa sugar, or stevia. Stevia is a sugar substitute and it's very healthy because it's not artificial. So use this one. Yeah. And then just mix it here like so. This is from Switzerland ata. Just put it here. And then you put the remaining pineapple chunks here. Like so. Yun. And then some more yogurt. Yum. You go crazy. Maubos nyo to, walang problema, you won't gain weight. Plus you have your protein. After that, I toasted some cashew nuts. So this one is walang oil. Make sure it's raw. I'll put some on top. Crunchy. Then if you want, put a little bit of cinnamon on top. There you go. Do you see this? Yeah? Okay, let me try. You know. Try nga. Warm, tapos cold from the yogurt, and crunchy from the toasted cashew nuts. That's the cinnamon really goes well with the grilled pineapples. So yeah, guys, if you want a healthy snack, this is the one for you. So remember, beauty, health, and fitness, make it a lifestyle.